Hi everyone. After doing a lot of research, I finally ended up with the Discover scope. It's VTR 3212 by 42 scope. Yes, this is a budget scope which falls around 10,000 range. And the reason why I bought this scope is mainly the build quality and the clarity of this optics. uh, so let's see what all it comes along with the box. One is the scope, then next we got few target papers. We can just practice this with the scope, and these are all some bird pictures comes uh, within the box, and we got two of them. And yeah, it stimulates the real size of a bird, so it's very easier for us for shooting, like making the target. And what else next? Yeah, this is the instruction paper. It comes with the scope information and all these manuals, and how, like those things, like the adjustments and all those things. And finally we got the cleaning paper, the lens cleaning cloth. Sorry, it's not a paper, it's a cloth. Yeah, just keep this box outside. And while opening the scope, let's take the scope outside. So what else we got? Yeah, it really feels like it's not a it's not feeling like a budget scope because of the precision. So it comes with two side caps. Both caps are very sturdy, and also it comes with hood. We can use this hood while during a bright sunlight, which will minimize our glare. Yeah, when we see the scope model is printed over there. It's 3 to 12 by 42 AOI scope. Let's see the construction of the scope. So the construction of the scope, it is constructed with aluminum body, and it's filled with nitrous gas. Um, so if you see, it's very well built, and the balance of the scope is very good. And we can see on the sides we have the left and right. On the top we have up and down adjustments, and on the front we have 5 yards to infinity. And this will be useful for correcting the parallax error. And in the eyesight we have the zoom ring, so it's from 3 to 12 zoom. Yeah, so uh, most of the things, it looks pretty good. And even I have some hiccups before buying the scope, but after I saw the scope in the store, I was fully satisfied, because when compared to all other manufacturers, like I just considered Gamo, compared with this Gamo BSA, and what else? We have, yeah, Gamo BSA, and then Bushnell also. The When you compare all these things with this, the build quality is so good. And finally, yeah, one more thing I missed out: the mounts, the rain mounts, the 11 rain mounts. It comes with it. Initially, I thought it might be the build quality might be not that much great, because I thought of buying a separate mount. But after getting the box, I saw it is well built, and it has a stopper too. It is milled with iron, like casted iron, and it comes with an Allen screwdriver for attaching the mount on the rails. Yeah, that's it. And when I take the scope outside, just like few seconds of videos, and it was very clear. Sorry, it's not that much clear, because I just took it on with my mobile, and it was very hard to focus with the scope. Yeah, this is the final thing. So after spending some time with the scope, I finally attached the scope with my Zena. It was really good. I still have to make the target adjustment, all those things, and this is the final. Thank you.